Understanding tender cuts of meat, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a delicious topic that's close to the heart of food lovers and cooks alike. Tender cuts of meat. If you've ever wondered what makes certain pieces of meat more desirable for specific dishes, you're in the right place. Let's explore this flavorful journey together and make the English language your tool for culinary exploration. Stay tuned to uncover the secrets behind tender cuts of meat. When we talk about tender, in the context of meat, we're referring to how soft and easy to chew the meat is. Tender cuts of meat are those that require less effort to eat and are often more enjoyable because of their texture. The tenderness of a cut can depend on several factors, including the part of the animal it comes from, how the animal was raised, and how the meat is cooked. Tender cuts of meat usually come from the less exercised parts of the animal, such as the loin or rib areas. These sections are spared the heavy work that toughens muscle fibers, resulting in softer and more succulent meat. Examples include filet mignon, from the smaller end of the tenderloin, known for its buttery texture. Ribeye, a cut from the rib section, marbled with fat that enhances its flavor and tenderness. Sirloin, located between the loin and the rear, balancing flavor and tenderness. Understanding where these cuts come from can help you make informed choices when cooking or ordering at a restaurant. Achieving tender meat isn't just about selecting the right cut. It's also about how you cook it. Here are some cooking methods that can help maintain or enhance the tenderness of the meat. Slow cooking, ideal for less tender cuts. Slow cooking at low temperatures can break down tough fibers, making the meat more tender. Grilling and broiling. Quick, high-heat methods like grilling and broiling are perfect for naturally tender cuts, sealing in flavors and keeping the meat moist. Marinating. Applying a marinade to meat before cooking can add flavor and tenderize by breaking down tough fibers. We hope this video has shed some light on what makes certain cuts of meat tender and how you can choose and prepare these cuts for your meals. Remember, understanding the basics of meat tenderness can greatly improve your cooking and dining experiences. Thank you for watching, and we hope you'll join us again for more English language learning tips and tricks. Happy cooking, and see you in the next video.